Iraq's financial revolution, the Iraqi Dinar RV and its global impacted. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we bring you a monumental update that could redefine Iraq's financial future. In an unprecedented development, the Iraqi Gazette has officially announced the highly anticipated Iraqi Dinar Revaluation, RV, a game-changing move that could reshape the country's economic landscape. This marks a turning point for Iraq, signaling its readiness to embrace a new era in financial history. According to official reports, the revaluation is set to take effect soon, generating immense excitement among investors, economists, and Iraqi citizens alike. But this isn't just about a new exchange rate. It's about Iraq's broader integration into the global financial system and its potential emergence as a major economic power in the Middle East. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the latest updates, expert insights, and the geopolitical factors shaping this historic transition. The role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, in the Dinar RV. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has played a crucial role in preparing for this transition. Recent reports confirm that the CBI has taken critical steps to ensure financial stability and maintain confidence in Iraq's banking system. One of the key elements of this transformation is the currency printing process. Previously, Iraqi dinar banknotes were printed in Switzerland, but now production has shifted to a renowned British institution in London. This move is aimed at enhancing security features, countering counterfeiting, and boosting investor confidence in the currency. Fun fact, did you know that printing a single banknote costs between 4 to 5 US cents? While this may seem like a minor expense, it plays a crucial role in ensuring a stable financial foundation as Iraq moves toward a new monetary system. Encouraging banking participation, a key to success. For 4 consecutive days, Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani's technical advisor has appeared on Iraqi television, urging citizens to deposit their dinars in banks rather than keeping them at home. Why is this important? This initiative is a precursor to the revaluation, ensuring liquidity in the banking system. When people deposit their money in banks, it strengthens the financial sector, allowing for a smoother transition to a new exchange rate. The Iraqi government is actively pushing for public banking participation, aiming to create a stronger, more resilient economy. Iraq's financial relationship with Iran and US sanctions. While the Iraqi Dinar RV is inevitable, challenges remain, especially concerning Iraq's financial ties with Iran. The United States has been pressuring Iraq to restrict the flow of US dollars into Iran to prevent sanctions evasion. If Iraq fails to comply, major financial institutions, such as Aladdin Bank, could face severe US sanctions. Many financial experts are closely monitoring this situation. While the Iraqi dinar revaluation is on the horizon, its return to the global forex market remains uncertain until these financial concerns are fully resolved. However, signs suggest that Iraq is actively working to address these issues. Analysts predict that progress could be made within weeks rather than months, paving the way for the Iraqi dinar to regain its rightful place in the international financial system. Iraq's federal court strengthens economic reforms. In another major development, Iraq's federal court, which holds constitutional supremacy, has issued several rulings that solidify its authority over other judicial bodies. These rulings are crucial because they pave the way for legislative implementation, making it easier for Iraq to integrate into the international financial system. Experts see this as a critical step toward
reserves signals potential economic trouble ahead, making it harder for Iraq to manage its financial obligations. The Iraqi dinar's struggles in the currency market. The value of the Iraqi dinar, IQD, has been fluctuating in response to these economic challenges. In November, the parallel market exchange rate of the dinar to the US dollar dropped from 1,520 Iraqi dinars per US dollar in October to 1,510 Iraqi dinars per US dollar. What this means for Iraq's economy. A fluctuating exchange rate can reduce consumer confidence, leading to slower economic activity. Discourage foreign investment as investors look for more stable economies. Increase inflation, making essential goods more expensive for everyday Iraqis. If these trends continue, Iraq may need to consider adjusting its exchange rate policy to stabilize the currency. Can Iraq recover? Despite the challenges, Iraq still has opportunities for recovery. The government is actively working to restore oil exports and address financial instability. However, success will depend on several key factors. 1. Diversifying the economy. Iraq has long relied on oil as its primary revenue source, but economic diversification is necessary for long-term stability. Some potential areas for growth include agriculture, investing in modern farming techniques to improve food production, technology, encouraging startups and digital businesses to reduce dependency on oil, tourism. Iraq has a rich cultural and historical heritage that could attract international visitors. 2. Strengthening the banking system. The Iraqi government and central bank must work to regain international trust by implementing stronger financial regulations to prevent money laundering, cooperating with global banking institutions to ensure compliance, encouraging foreign investments by stabilizing the financial sector. 3. Improving international relations. To ensure long-term economic stability, Iraq must resolve disputes with Turkey and Kurdistan to reopen vital trade routes, engage in diplomatic efforts to ease U.S. sanctions, attract foreign investors by offering incentives and business-friendly policies. Final thoughts for investors. For those considering investing in Iraq or the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, it's crucial to stay informed. Given Iraq's current financial turmoil, investors should avoid speculative investments based on rumors, consult financial experts with experience in Middle Eastern markets, focus on long-term strategies, as Iraq's recovery will take time. Conclusion. Iraq is at a critical crossroads. With a $19 billion oil revenue loss, U.S. banking sanctions, declining foreign reserves, and a weakening currency, the economic outlook appears challenging. However, if the government can implement key financial reforms, stabilize oil exports, and diversify the economy, Iraq may still find a path to recovery. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to analyze Iraq's financial landscape. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.
Iraq's economic independence, allowing it to play a more active role in global markets. Iraq isn't just focused on revaluing its currency, it's also implementing major financial reforms, including countering counterfeit currency, cracking down on money laundering, enhancing border security to combat illicit financial activities. All these measures are designed to protect the Iraqi dinar, positioning it as one of the strongest currencies in the region. Some experts believe that the Iraqi dinar could eventually surpass the Kuwaiti dinar in value, international oversight, and the role of the U.S. Treasury. Iraq's financial reforms haven't gone unnoticed. International players, including the U.S. Secretary of State and the U.S. Treasury Department, are closely monitoring Iraq's financial activities. Their primary concern? Ensuring that Iraq's financial system doesn't serve as a backdoor for Iran to evade U.S. sanctions. Additionally, the U.S. is working with Gulf countries to prevent them from becoming financial transit points for illicit transactions. Iraq's financial position is under intense global scrutiny, making this a delicate but crucial moment for the country's economic future. Upcoming developments, key dates to watch. Recent reports from bond markets and investment groups indicate that significant financial transactions have already begun. Here's what experts predict in the coming weeks. Major economic moves expected within 6 to 7 days. Fund transfers actively progressing to secure the final approval from the World Court potential finalization by February 19th. Though some sources suggest developments might occur even sooner. With these rapid developments, it's clear that Iraq is on the brink of a financial revolution. Iraq's firm stance on cryptocurrencies. Despite the global rise of cryptocurrencies, Iraq remains firmly opposed to digital assets. Since 2017, Iraq has banned banks, financial institutions, and payment service providers from engaging in cryptocurrency transactions. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, argues that digital currencies pose a significant risk to monetary stability and could be exploited for money laundering and illegal activities. According to reports from CEO World Magazine, Iraq remains one of the top 10 countries that will continue to restrict cryptocurrencies in 2025. If you were hoping to trade crypto through Iraqi banking channels, that won't be happening anytime soon. Final thoughts: Iraq's economic future looks bright. Despite these challenges, Iraq is making remarkable strides toward economic recovery. The country's monetary reforms, focus on financial security, and integration into global markets are all positive indicators. Many analysts believe Iraq is on the verge of an economic resurgence. If these reforms are successfully implemented, the country could see a major influx of foreign investment, further strengthening its economy. What lies ahead? While there are still hurdles to overcome, including US sanctions, exchange rate adjustments, and public banking participation, the signs point to a promising future. Iraq's financial transformation is happening faster than expected, and the next few weeks will be critical. Will Iraq successfully navigate these challenges and establish itself as a major financial power in the Middle East? Only time